In recent years, renewable energy has become a central topic of discussion in both environmental and economic studies. Among the various sources, solar energy has received particular attention because of its availability and relatively low cost of maintenance. However, one of the challenges faced by researchers is how to store solar energy efficiently. Current technologies, such as lithium-ion batteries, are effective but expensive. Therefore, scientists are exploring alternative materials that could provide cheaper and more sustainable storage solutions.
Archaeologists often use carbon dating to determine the age of ancient artifacts. This method measures the amount of carbon-14 remaining in organic materials such as wood, bones, or seeds. Because carbon-14 decays at a known rate, scientists can estimate when the organism died. However, this technique has limitations. It is most accurate for objects that are less than 50,000 years old. For older artifacts, other methods, such as potassium-argon dating, may be more reliable. One of the most significant challenges in modern medicine is antibiotic resistance. Bacteria can evolve quickly, and when exposed repeatedly to antibiotics, some strains develop mechanisms to survive the treatment. This phenomenon has become a global concern, as it reduces the effectiveness of common drugs. To address this issue, researchers are working on developing new antibiotics and alternative treatments, such as phage therapy, which uses viruses that specifically target bacteria. In addition, doctors emphasize the importance of responsible antibiotic use to slow down the spread of resistance.
In the field of psychology, memory is often categorized into short-term and long-term storage. Short-term memory allows us to retain a small amount of information for a brief period, usually only seconds. For example, remembering a phone number long enough to dial it. Long-term memory, on the other hand, involves storing information for days, years, or even a lifetime. Scientists believe that repetition, emotional connection, and meaningful associations can help transfer information from short-term memory into long-term storage. This is why effective study techniques often emphasize review and practice.
Climate scientists often use ice cores to study past atmospheric conditions. Ice cores are long cylinders of ice drilled from glaciers and ice sheets, sometimes extending thousands of meters deep. Each layer of ice traps tiny bubbles of air, which contain samples of the Earth's ancient atmosphere. By analyzing the gases, especially carbon dioxide, scientists can reconstruct climate patterns from hundreds of thousands of years ago. These records provide valuable evidence that current global warming is strongly linked to human activities, such as burning fossil fuels.